It's another great morning here. We are heading out to Kings Canyon this morning. A little over 3-hour drive from Ayers Rock Resorts. Kings Canyon is beautiful. A lot of people actually overlook it when they come here. It's a very, very, very small Grand Canyon. Actually, a lot of the layers inside Kings Canyon are exactly the same as what you will find in the Grand Canyon. I'm doing the rim walk today. This just walks around the top of the canyon. You can go right into it. There's waterfalls and everything in there. I am droning today, but I have a permit from CASA to do it, so make sure you do get a permit if you come here. So, as you can see, it's 3 to 4 hours loop, 6K. Not a really hard walk, so let's go check it out.